Welcome back to the AI-102 exam-style Q&A series. Here's question 22. You have an Azure AI Foundry project that contains a connection to an Azure OpenAI resource. The project includes a text generation prompt flow that uses this connection. You want to programmatically retrieve the connection information using the Azure AI Foundry SDK for Python. You only need the Azure OpenAI connection, and the solution must use the minimum amount of code. What should you do? The options are: Option A. Call connections.list and filter the results using a for loop. Option B. Set the connection type to Azure AI Search. Option C. Set the connection type to Azure OpenAI. Option D. Set include credentials to true in connections.get. Pause for a moment and think. The correct answer is Option C. Set the connection type to Azure OpenAI. Here's why. The connections.list method supports filtering by connection type. By setting the connection type to Azure OpenAI, you retrieve only the required connection with the least amount of code. Now, why the other options are incorrect? Option A works, but adds unnecessary logic. Option B filters the wrong connection type. Option D retrieves only a single connection and requires an identifier. Exam tip. On the AI-102 exam, when filtering connections, always use connections.list with connection type. If you found this question helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we can bring you more AI-102 exam-style Q&A sessions. See you in the next question.